Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be a big deep clean and declutter with me. This will be the first clean with me video in our new apartment. I guess it's not so new anymore. We've been here for a little bit over 6 months, but we're just now finally kind of settled in. Everything's in its place. We have most of our furniture and decor, and we're definitely in need of a deep clean. We've been really busy the past couple weeks and months, just kind of traveling, being on the go, so everything's just been kind of thrown around and not very organized, and also just needing to clean the whole apartment. So I've left everything exactly how it is, how it's been for the past week or so, and I need to put a lot of stuff away, do some laundry, kind of put things back in their places, and then, like I said, also do a deep cleaning of everything. But I always love these videos. They're really fun and motivating to watch. I'm gonna start picking up some things in our living room and kitchen area, and then move into the bedroom before I start actually like wiping things down and cleaning. So really first in the living room, just need to kind of pick up and reset the couch and fluff the pillows. Over in our little like hutch buffet area, we have a couple things that I've just like bought over the past couple weeks that I need to find a place for, and some like trash boxes from this olive tree actually I got on Amazon. I think I'm gonna keep it. I've been just like letting it sit in the room to see how I feel about it, but I think it looks pretty good. It was a really good price. I'll have it on my storefront, but I think it should stay. So we'll get rid of the trash and boxes today. So I got this like eucalyptus. I'm not exactly sure where I want to put it yet. I'm not sure if it would work in this big pot. I think I need like a taller vase here on our entryway table maybe, so I'm not really sure about this yet. And I also got these sconces from Hobby Lobby. They were so cheap, like $4 each on sale. And I'm not sure where I want to put these yet either, so I'm just gonna keep them to the side until we hang them. I'm gonna go ahead and start a load of laundry. Again, this is the situation in the bedroom. We've just been throwing stuff around the past couple days, clothes, some stuff on the dresser, so I'm gonna put all of this away. We did change our sheets the other day, so I think those are fine to stay, and I'm just gonna make the bed. Time to switch to laundry. I'm gonna wash some of our blankets, and I have some things I just threw in the bathroom that I need to put away and organize. So everything has pretty much been put away and organized. Now I'm going to start dusting and wiping things down. And that concludes this clean with me video. As you can see, the sun has gone down, it's dark out now, so it was a full day of cleaning. It feels so great to have everything back in its place and freshly cleaned. Hope you all enjoyed this video, and thanks for watching.